What's up, guys? I'm cold and I'm tired, but I gotta make this video because I don't have time. Well, today I want to talk about eyeshadow palettes for your daily makeup routine. The eyeshadow palette that I use the most, that I think the most effective in the morning when we have to hurry and get out of the house as soon as possible and also look good at the same time. I'm also going to show you how to achieve this look, so please keep on watching. Don't leave. Keep on watching. Don't leave within 3 minutes. I see you. 18 colors eyeshadows here, but how many do you get to really use for everyday makeup? 28 colors of foil eyeshadow from BH Cosmetics. Do I use this for everyday makeup? No, I don't have like a whole lot of eyeshadow palette collection. A lot of my makeup products are actually kind of old, and I have a lot of eyeshadow palette that my friends gave to me. So there's some like no name, not famous makeup brand eyeshadow palette. I also have them, but they tend to be good though. This one I use a lot actually for my video. It's kind of dirty. It's been a while. It's an old one. Boxy Charm Pearl. I think they're still selling it in a certain website. I leave the link all the time when I use it. These are actually pretty good. The color is pretty good. I mean, yeah, I wouldn't use this type of colors, but it's good because it has this nude eyeshadow for the base, and it has like neutrals, peachy colors, and also bronzy colors, and also dark brown and black, which I could use for eyelining. I would say this is kind of effective palette to use daily because I could just finish my makeup with one palette, and also I could do my eyebrows with this as well, so pretty effective. This is Natasha Denona Love Face palette. As you see, we see a lot of pinks. This is a highlighter, this is a blush, so that's good. But as you see, the eyeshadows are not that neutral. It's hot pink, baby pink, dark purple, shimmer eyeshadow. This is kind of like, this can be like a transition eyeshadow. I mean, if you love this type of like pinks and purple, why not? You could use this again as a transition color, like in the crease. You could add some shimmer on the lid, and then you could do eyeliner with this. So I guess you could do it, but then it's, yeah. This one, I don't think I reach out for my daily makeup. Definitely has more neutral colors compared to the Love Face palette. Unique thing about this palette, these brown colors are all warm tones, like warm undertones, like orangey and red. But then these green family, they're cool tones. I don't know if that matters to you, but I found it kind of interesting. The palette that I use the most for my daily makeup is actually this. It's Anastasia Beverly Hills Nouveau palette. The reason why I use this all the time is because, again, to start with, it has the nude color that's very close to my skin tone, or maybe a little lighter than my skin tone, so it's good for the base. And also it has a little bit of like light neutral color, also a bit dark neutral color. So I use this or this as my transition color in my crease. Actually, this one I use it a lot, but it's broken. How can I show you? I'm gonna swatch it. Can you see that? It's like a bronzy color, but it has like different colors of shimmers. The camera cannot catch it. It's a bronzy color basically, and then it has like a iridescent shimmers in it. So it's very pretty to add on the top of matte eyeshadow if I want to go a little further. And then this dark brown is just perfect for the eyeliner, because I don't like to use like black eyeliner every day because it can be a little intense, intimidating. That's why I use this a lot. Yes, there are other colors that I don't use a lot, like this one. I wouldn't use this every day. I don't really reach out to this a lot, but like the other green colors, If I want to give a little bit of difference, if I'm tired of using all the neutrals and browns that I use the most, then I could use this green, because this and this kind of have the same level of saturation. So someday I would use this instead of this, and then instead of using this color, I might use this or this golden olivish green. Olivish green, I could use this one instead. And then again, like even with the green eyeshadow, I would do like brown eyeliner, or if I want something like really different, I could use this like teal color as well. For highlighter, I just use this one. Yeah, this eyeshadow palette, I think it's very versatile and just very effective. I don't have to like look for an eyeshadow after another eyeshadow. I don't have to look for a highlighter. I don't have to look for an eyeliner. I could just do all of that with this one thing. So like I said, I use this palette the most for my daily look, so I'm gonna use this for this video. So I'm wearing a little bit of makeup already. I didn't use foundation. I used only concealer. My blush is kind of gone. The bronzer is still there. I'm gonna use some primer. So I'm just gonna apply on my lids and the crease. And for the brush, I use literally only 2 brushes for my daily look. These both from MAC. This one is MAC 212. This is MAC 224. I've had this for over a decade. If you want to invest some money on the brush, this one is not going to make you regret. So I'm going to use this and this. I'm going to mix this too using this brush. Just go all over from the lid and the crease. I have a job interview tomorrow. I think I'm gonna wear this look. I'm going to use this nude eyeshadow, same brush. I'm just going to clean up the edge. We don't want that harsh edge of the color. And then what do? I use this bronzy color with my finger. I don't even use a brush, and just right here on the lid. Ooh, like that. And the shimmer kind of got into the crease, and I don't want that, so I'm just going to like blend in between, and then we go in with an eyeliner that dark. Here's a little tip: if you want more intensity, spray some setting spray on the brush. Wet it, dip it, tap it, and then go. And if you want to make a wing, you can just dab it, because this is pretty like hard, this brush. You can just dab it and then there's a wing. It's like the easiest look. So easy. And then a little bit of highlight. I'm gonna use this color. You can literally just use your finger, little pinky right here. That's it. I'm gonna add a little bit right here too. And then do the mascara. Okay, I'm wearing 2 coats of mascara. Looking good, looking good. I'm just gonna add some blush. If you want a nose contour, you can just use this brush without even getting any product, because there must be some like eyeshadow like residue on the brush, so you can just squeeze this and then just go like that. And if you have time to do highlighter, go back to that eyeshadow palette and use this on the tip of your nose. And then And another good thing about this look is that you can use any lip color and you will look good. You could just use tinted lip balm if you don't want to add any lip color. If you need to just go, then just go. But yeah, you can use like this type of pink too. Like a deep color. This type of peach too. I mean, you're gonna look good. You're gonna look good, I promise you. Well, I'm gonna try this. This is, what is that? This is Maybelline. This might be discontinued, I don't know. Let's see. It's like very bright pink color. This is called Sick Adventure number 30, actually Super Stay Ink Crayon from Maybelline, but I bought this like years ago. But yeah, I just wanted to show you like this look. This eye makeup is going to look with literally any color lip. I just wanted to show you that. Just super easy, super versatile, super duper pretty. Once you get the hang of it, you're gonna look so put together within 10 minutes. Yeah, I hope you like this video. I hope this was helpful for anyone out there who need to just get out of the house in the morning as soon as possible, but you want to look good at the same time. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. You deserve it. Bye.